In the skies above, the endless clouds, islands floated, bound together by glowing threads of light. These threads carried the harmony of the world, a melody that kept balance in the heavens. But among all the voices, there was one girl who could hear what no one else believed in, Elara. To the villagers, her gift was nonsense, no more than whispers of the wind. Yet, her, those whispers were songs, fragile, beautiful, and alive. And then, one night, the music vanished. The sky threads dimmed. Silence spread across the world, and the song of the skies began to break. As islands trembled and cracks split their foundations, the people despaired, believing the prophecy of the falling age had begun. But Elara heard something others could not, the faint echo of a broken melody calling her to follow. Though she was small and overlooked, courage stood with her. Only with a satchel at her side and determination in her heart, she stepped into the unknown skies. For she believed that if the song of the world was fading, perhaps she could find the voice to restore it. Her journey carried her across skies filled with wonders, creatures of crystal wings, rivers of light flowing between drifting isles, and companions who walked beside her. Yet, the farther she traveled, the darker the skies became. In the heart of the storm, a voice of despair awaited, an ancient presence born of thunder and ruin. It whispered that the world has already lost, that the threads would snap and all would fall into shadow. But Elara pressed forward, for though the storm roared around her, she still heard a fragile song hidden within the silence, a song that gave her hope. At the edge of the world, where lightning split the heavens, stood the harp of starlight, a towering instrument once used to weave the sky threads. Its strings, broken and silent, waited for a voice brave enough to awaken them. Elara climbed the radiant stands, storming winds steering at her every step. The harp trembled with memory as her voice rose, soft at first, then stronger, reaching towards the forgotten memory. As she sang, light began to return. The broken threads shimmered. The song of the skies stood once more. Her voice, born of doubt yet carried by courage, grew into harmony that stretched across the heavens. The harp blazed with light, weaving the shattered threads together, binding the islands in unity once again. Where once there was silence, now the world was alive with music. The sky shimmered with dawn. The storms dissolved and the peoples raised their eyes in wonder. Elara, once the girl no one believed, had become the voice that saved the heavens. And from that day forward, the world never forgot the song of the forgotten sky.